Hi everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's episode, we're focusing on a very exciting type of letter, the acceptance letter. This is a formal letter where you officially accept an offer, often for something like admission to a university or a job. It's your way of saying, "Yes, I'm in," while maintaining professionalism. We'll break down a sample letter step by step to show you how to write it clearly and effectively. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to include and how to structure your acceptance letter to make the best impression. Let's get started. Header section, sender's information. The first part of any formal letter is your personal information. Let's look at what the sample includes. John D. Anderson, 123 Main Street, Springfield, Illinois, 62701. j.anderson@email.com, 555 1234567. This section is all about you. It should include your full name, address, email, and phone number. Why is this important? Because it helps the recipient, like a university admissions office, identify who the letter is from and gives them multiple ways to contact you if they need to. When writing your own letter, make sure this section is accurate and up to date. Double-check your email and phone number so there are no errors. Date and recipient's information. Next, include the date and the recipient's details. November 15th, 2024, Admissions Office, State University, 789 University Drive, Chicago, Illinois, 60601. The date is important because it establishes when you wrote the letter, which can be crucial for meeting deadlines. Then, list the recipient's full name or the department you're addressing, like admissions office here. This ensures the letter reaches the right people. Make sure this section is formatted neatly. It sets a professional tone right from the start. Subject line. Clear and direct. Now, let's move to the subject line. Subject. Acceptance of admission offer. This is where you clearly state the purpose of the letter. A good subject line is short, direct, and to the point. It helps the recipient immediately understand why you're writing. In this case, you're formally accepting an admission offer. Keep it simple. There's no need for overly complicated language. Greeting and opening paragraph. Show gratitude. The letter begins with a professional and respectful greeting. Dear Admissions Committee. Then comes the opening paragraph. I am writing to formally accept the offer of admission to State University for the fall 2024 semester. I am deeply honored to have been selected to join such a prestigious institution, and I am excited to begin my journey as a member of the State University community. This paragraph does two things really well. First, it gets straight to the point. You're accepting the offer. Second, it expresses gratitude and enthusiasm. A warm and positive tone makes a great impression. When writing your own letter, always open with a clear statement of acceptance and follow it up with a sentence or two expressing your excitement and appreciation. Main body. Why you're excited and committed. The next paragraph provides more detail. After careful consideration of the program's curriculum and the resources available at your esteemed institution, I'm confident that this opportunity aligns perfectly with my academic and career goals. I am particularly drawn to the university's commitment to fostering innovation and research, as these values resonate strongly with my aspirations. This part is all about showing why you're excited to accept the offer. Notice how the writer mentions specific aspects of the university, like its curriculum and focus on innovation, that appeal to them. This personalization shows the recipient that you've thoughtfully considered your decision. When you're writing your letter, think about what excites you most about the opportunity. Whether it's the program, the people, or the resources, mentioning these specifics adds a personal touch. Action items, enclosures, and next steps. Now let's look at the action-oriented part of the letter. Please find the completed enrollment forms and the initial deposit, as requested, enclosed with this letter. If any additional documents or actions are required on my part to complete the enrollment process, kindly let me know. This section is practical and professional. It tells the recipient what you're including with the letter, like forms or a deposit, and shows that you're proactive about fulfilling your responsibilities. The offer to provide additional documents demonstrates your willingness to cooperate. For your own letter, include details about anything you're enclosing, and let the recipient know they can contact you if more information is needed. Closing paragraph. Gratitude and excitement. The letter wraps up with another expression of gratitude. Thank you for providing me with this wonderful opportunity. I look forward to contributing positively to the university community and taking full advantage of the academic and extracurricular experiences that State University has to offer. Ending on a positive and enthusiastic note leaves a great impression. It shows that you're not only excited, but also committed to making the most of the opportunity. When writing your own letter, think about what you're looking forward to and express it here. A little enthusiasm goes a long way. Closing, professional sign-off. Finally, the letter is signed off professionally. Sincerely, John D. Anderson. Sincerely is a classic and formal closing that works well for most letters. Follow it with your full name to make the letter official. And that's how you write an acceptance letter. Let's quickly recap. Start with your personal information and the recipient's details. Use a clear subject line to state the purpose of the letter. Open with gratitude and a clear statement of acceptance. Personalize the letter by mentioning what excites you about the opportunity. Include details about any enclosures or next steps. Close with gratitude and enthusiasm and sign off professionally. Thanks for tuning in to Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might need it. See you in the next tutorial.